In this lesson, I'm going to be showing you how to create a text outline in Canva. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I have a blank page here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and go over to text, and I'm going to add a text box here. Right. So I'm going to do something like this. Okay. You can add anything you want here. So the first thing I want to do here is, let's say, change the color of this text. So you can go up here, select the text, go to the toolbar on the top here and click on text color, and you are going to be able to change the text color here. You can do that later. You don't have to do that right now. Now, once we have our text, make sure it's selected, and this time we're going to go over to effects. Okay. Once you go to effects, you're going to see that there is an option for an outline, which is going to be right here. Okay. Now click on the outline option, and you're going to see that it adds an outline to your text here. Now, a couple of things you might want to tweak here is going to be the thickness of the outline. The first one is going to be, this is going to be the first option here. As you can see, it is on 50 right now. That's the size. So you can lower the outline. You can increase the outline. Okay. You have the option to do that. You can also change the color of the outline. So if I select this color here, you're going to have this pop up here. You can select different colors that you want the outline to be, right? So you can see it starts to change colors here. Okay. Now let's go ahead and close this out. You also have, that's the color over here. You can also do, there's also other things that you can do out here, but for now, we're just going to deal with the outline only. Okay. That is how you're going to be able to add an outline. So remember, you're going to be able to change the size here. Okay. Now, once you have the outline, you can also go back to your text up here, and you can change the color of the text. If that's what you want to do, you can see that on here. Okay. You can change, let's go like this. Now we kind of like have an outline text. This is how you can create amazing outlines in Canva. Now that is pretty much it for this lesson. I'll see you guys on the next one.